Have you ever been to a boring wedding? So have I. Have you ever wondered how it's possible for a wedding, that most glorious of reasons for human beings to get together, how a wedding could be boring? I will tell you. A wedding is a ritual, and it becomes boring if it is dead. And by dead, I mean it's devoid of meaning. It's empty. It has nothing genuine, unique, or authentic related to the individuals inside the ritual. That's why it's boring. It doesn't speak to you. It delivers nothing. And that, my friends, is a tragedy. Because the wedding is one of the few rituals we have remaining to us in this culture, where we can come together and experience the transforming effect of love flowing into human life. That's the purpose. That's why you have a wedding, why you invite your friends and family. You are sharing the overflow of this sublime goodness that you have found in your love for each other, so that the love can come down. It can fill our hearts again and remind us of the power of love in human life. A boring wedding is what I call a cookie cutter wedding. It's all laid out. All you do is put in your name, and you say, I do, and then you go and have a party. What a loss. Do you know what you're missing? You are missing the opportunity to take that one day, which is yours, to design from beginning to end, and use it as a springboard, as that transformational gateway into your new life as partners, companions for a lifetime. I've been doing weddings, creating these rituals for over 25 years. I have collaborated with over 800 couples to create ceremonies that are uniquely designed to share who they are, their love story, their values, their traditions, their beliefs, their visions for who they will be. This is what allows you to step into your new status as a married couple with the kind of understanding, the wisdom, the grounding that will allow you to go forward with confidence, wholeness, a true passion for the self you will become because you have entered into the adventure called marriage. The wedding ceremony is that opening chord of this great symphony of the rest of your marriage. It's the opening paragraph of the great novel of the love story. Not any love story. Your love story. Please don't settle for a cookie cutter wedding. Don't settle for anything less than the best on this most important day of your life. Call me. Let me describe to you how we collaborate to create a ceremony that is absolutely perfect for you, for who you are, for where you want to go.